guys, welcome back to Urban Rhino Tutorials. Today I am super excited to share with you that we will be doing a giveaway video every week until here on out. So what you could be winning is something along the lines of a jewelry making kit for beginners, actual finished pieces of jewelry. It could be clothing, a designer handbag, some kind of home decor, gift cards, photography tools, so whether that's a camera, a lens, I guess I should say photography equipment, Photoshop tools, and many other things. So I'm super excited. We are going to kick this off with a giveaway for 3 lucky winners of a beginner jewelry making kit, or beginner's jewelry making kit. And I'm gonna kind of just go through what the 3 lucky winners will win. So we have a variety of seed beads here. I'm just gonna kind of set that to the side. A loom, so this is for like the pattern Miyuki bead bracelets that we do. You can use the seed beads on them as well. We've got some tools, which of course are super important. So needle nose pliers, round nose pliers, the flat nose pliers, and the wire cutters. We've also got a ring mandrel. So with this, as well as this big package of beads here, you would be able to make the wrapped wire stone necklace. Oh my goodness, wrapped wire stone ring. The video, I will include a link in the comments below. So here is wire for that, as well as the stacking bangles. That's what we use these beads for, those as well. So we got those. What else do we have in here? Some jump rings, different sizes, gold and silver. Fishing line, we use this a lot for our bracelets, some earrings, and then necklaces. A little needle threader, tape measure, and this cute little set of items to be able to make up to 6 different pairs of earrings there. So with all of this stuff, you can make 3 of the projects that I've done a tutorial for, which again, I will include the links below, as well as a ton of other different jewelry making or jewelry pieces. So how do you enter, you might ask? Very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to our channel. If you already do, thank you so much. Like this video and leave a comment below. And in this comment for this first giveaway, I would like for you to tell me what is something you would like to see in the future as a prize for one of our giveaway videos. I will announce the winner. So today is Friday. Next Thursday, I will announce the 3 winners, and I will put the winners in the description below, as well as I will leave a reply to your comment if you are a winner. So again, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you want to be entered to win one of 3 beginner jewelry making kit. Good luck to everyone.